Dear friends, myself Dr. S.B. Hasbe from Department of Commerce and Management, Devendra Gadgil College of Commerce, Satara. Today's lecture, let us consider here entrepreneurship, meaning, definition, importance. First of all, let us consider the definition of entrepreneurs, then meaning of entrepreneurs, and then importance of entrepreneurship. The entrepreneurship is often used interchangeably with entrepreneurs. Conceptually, both the terms are different. However, they are like the two sides of coin. Though entrepreneurship references to a process and entrepreneur refers to a person, majority of the authors use both the terms alternatively. The concept of entrepreneurship uses the approaches regarding economic approach, social approach, and psychological approach. You can easily understand the concept and meaning of entrepreneurship. Then let us turn to definition of entrepreneurship. Different experts laid down their opinion regarding Peter Drucker, Robert Ronstadt, Benjamin Higgins, McLagan, Arun Kumar Jain, H. Cole, Vasant Desai, Joseph Schumpeter, etc. But let us consider here some important definitions laid down by some experts. First of all, Peter Drucker. Entrepreneurship is neither a science nor an art. It is a practice. It has a knowledge base. Entrepreneurship is less risky if the entrepreneur is methodical and doesn't violate elementary and well known rules. The next definition laid down by Joseph Schumpeter of entrepreneurship. The entrepreneurship as a process, an entrepreneur who uses the process to shatter the status quo. Though new combinations of resources and new methods of commerce, entrepreneurship essentially consists in doing things that are not generally done in the ordinary course of business routine. The next definition, the name of expert is H. Cole, laid down here. Entrepreneurship is the purposeful activity of an individual or group of associated individuals undertaken to initiate, maintain, or organize a profit-oriented business unit for the production and distribution of economic goods or service. Another definition has been given by Vasant Desai of entrepreneurship. The entrepreneurship as an economic function is not a single point, but rather a range of behavior. So my friend, you can easily understand the meaning of entrepreneurship, and with the help of definitions you will get the clear concept of entrepreneurship. Then let us turn to importance of entrepreneurship. Do you know that clear about the entrepreneurship has an important role to play in the economic development of a country? India, the entrepreneur is an economic leader and change agent who have the ability to identify opportunities for ensuring innovation techniques of production. So let us see here the first point of importance of entrepreneurship helps to solve the unemployment problem. Entrepreneurs do not explore the jobs, on the contrary, they create the jobs for others. They employ newly competent and willing persons to achieve something which is challenging, attractive, and satisfies the needs of the customers and self. Then, my friend, let us turn to next point of importance, that is increasing income. Entrepreneurs increase production capability and capacity of the enterprise. They use limited resources with their full protection for production. They waste of man hours, machine and information, material, etc. The next, balanced development. The government introduces numerous schemes, projects and programs for the development of the tribal and rural areas. Under these programs, government provides variety of incentives to the entrepreneurs to establish enterprise in remote areas or backward areas in the particular region. The next point of importance, that is bring innovations. Entrepreneurs are innovative persons. They cope with changing situations in the business because of their creativity and innovations. The enterprises have to face the competitions on many fronts in the marketplace. The next point, motivation to start enterprise. The government has created favorable conditions of sharing and starting an enterprise. The entrepreneurs may take advantage of the international and local market, technology, government support, and start their own enterprise. The next point, coping with change. The entrepreneurs have distinct characteristics such as innovative, creative, risk taker, investigate, and the high. They can predict and perfectly analyze the changes taking place in the environment. The next, increase foreign revenue. The entrepreneurs have eye on international market. They create products and services to be used in foreign countries. They bring foreign revenue to country in terms of profit. Another point, that is community development and training. So my friend, today's lecture we have considered meaning, definition and importance of entrepreneurship. You can easily understand the concept, meaning and importance of entrepreneurship. So bearing in your mind, you should note clear the points regarding importance of entrepreneurship. Okay, thank you my friend. Have a nice time.